To begin, you will need to download the ISO file for Zorin operating system. So open your browser and type zorin.com and hit enter. You will see this page. Click on download. Here you will see two options, Zorin Operating System Pro, and you will have the classical or the normal version, which is for basic use. And this is what I will download. You can choose any of these versions that you like. You can skip to download, and the download will begin. And it's usually taking between 1 to 5 to 10 minutes based on how fast is your internet. The download has been completed, and I have moved the file to the same file where I saved the other versions, and here it is, and it should appear under the latest version, and you should have it as stating as a type ISO, and it's ready to be used. The size is 3.5 giga.